Hello, today you are gathered together with TP Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to tell you grade 9 science 12th lesson. Biodiversity. There are different types of environment. Among them, following are some examples: beaches, mangrove environment, forests, monsoon forests and lagoons. A system that includes all living organisms in an area as well as its physical environment interacting with one another as a unit is known as an ecosystem. Ecosystems are considered the animal and plant in these systems are varied. Physical environment and climatic factors of those ecosystems are also different. The diversity among the ecosystem is known as ecosystem diversity. The diversity among species is known as species diversity. Modern man is belong to Homo sapiens species. The reason for these differences a certain species is genetic diversity. Biodiversity is a combination of ecosystem diversity, species diversity and genetic diversity. India is named as the country with highest density of flowering plants, reptiles, amphibians and mammals in the Asian region. Diversity is a strong reason for the tourist attraction. The beaks of different bird species are of different shape. This is important to reduce the competition for food. Various birds depend on various food and their beaks are shaped according that can be seen only in one geographical region or country are known as endemic species. Examples: jungle fowl, rilava, Bandulapetia, blue magpie, reed pitwipe, Ashokapetia. It is our duty to protect these animals. There are many traits of biodiversity. In these traits have caused a degradation of biodiversity. The reason for the degradation can be discussed under two topics. Number 1. Natural reasons. Volcanic eruptions, tsunami, earthslides and flood are some of these natural reasons. Number 2. Human activities. The construction of various buildings, highways are some of these human activities. The regions of higher density of living organisms is called the hotspot. All living organisms in a community and the physical environment interacting with them considered as an ecosystem. Examples: ponds, forests, grasslands. Now let's learn features of ecosystem. Number 1. Interaction of occur between living components as well as between non-living components. Number 2. The energy flows through one-way stream. Number 3. Recycling of materials. Number 4. An independent unit. Now the lesson is over. The end. Who don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe now.